I'm going to teach you how to add integers. Integers are a set of whole numbers and their opposites. Do you remember number lines? Do you know that you can also use number lines to do integers? Okay, let me teach you. Remember, always start with a 0. Let's start with an easy question. -5 plus 4. So, let's find where -5 is. If you're getting a negative number, you need to count it to the left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. And if you're adding a positive number, you need to count it to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. So what did you get? -1. Right. Now let's try a harder question. -1 plus -2. It's the same thing as the question we just did. It's negative sign, so we have to count it to the left. 1, -1. That's -1. Plus -2. So we need to count it to the left 2 more spaces. Since it's a -2. So 1, 2, -2. What did you get? -3. Right. Let's try it without a number lines. 5 plus 8 subtract -4. It's really easy. Remember, always do the things in the parentheses first. So now you know you need to do 8 subtract -4 first. So, but always remember, 8 is integers. When a positive number subtract a negative number, it will become addition. So it will become 8 plus 4. 5 plus 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. 5 plus 12 equals to 17. So your answer will be 17. Let's try the harder question of all. It's okay. If you do more questions like this, then hopefully you'll get it and better. Let's try it. So -1. So remember, always do the things in parentheses first. -3 plus -1 equals to -4. 12 plus -4 plus -8 equals to 12 plus -4 equals to 8. 8 plus -8 equals to 0. Very easy, right? So, try to do more questions like this, then hopefully you'll get it. Hope this helps you. Bye.